guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Dami. I'm a cybersecurity specialist, and this is your go-to channel when it comes to cybersecurity career paths, free tech training, free tech resources. I share a lot of bootcamp training, free bootcamp training. So we talk about fitness on this channel, lifestyle, healthy meal. So make sure you click on that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a video. To my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you to you guys. Thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for riding with me, and thank you for going on this journey with me. I appreciate you guys. On today's episode, I'm going to be sharing 5 free resources you can use to get started in the cybersecurity field. I've got a couple of questions on how to get started in the cybersecurity space. I got a couple of DM, a lot of people asking what are the resources they need to learn to get into the cybersecurity space. Cybersecurity is fast growing in the tech industry, and a lot of people want to pivot into this career path and they don't know where to start. So here are my top 5 resources on how to start learning about cybersecurity, how to get started in the cybersecurity field. So without wasting too much of your time, let's get into the video. Cybersecurity is growing in the tech industry, and a lot of people want to pivot into the cybersecurity space, some of which are already in the tech space and some are coming from a different background. They want to find a career path in the cybersecurity industry, and they ask me, how do I get started? And I'm here to tell you, it's easy. You don't need so much money to get started. You don't need to invest a lot in certifications. You can start by learning the basics and then move forward to getting the certifications for beginner. So guys, here are my top 5 resource websites on how to learn about cybersecurity for beginners, how to get started. This is super cheap, and they have career path, learning paths, different models. You get your hands dirty. If you know me on this channel, you know I like to talk about how you can get your hands dirty. You need to do something to know how to actually believe you know how to do it. The first one is Cybery. I love Cybery so much because Cybery has various career paths, so you can actually learn based on what you want to do, the part of cybersecurity you want to venture into. Before you want to start learning about cybersecurity or how to get into cybersecurity, you want to know what part of cybersecurity you want to get to. Cybersecurity is so broad, so you want to know the part of cybersecurity you want to get to. That would help you station how you learn. So this way you are focused on how you learn. You're not just learning everything about cybersecurity, but you are learning about one domain in cybersecurity and you want to see through it. So when you're looking for jobs, you're looking for jobs in that domain. So that way you are more focused, I believe. So I love Cybery so much. I will make sure I put the interface of the website on how everything looks like. If you pay for their premium, you have access to the lab, but they have free session where you can actually do your stuffs for free. You can learn for free, but if you pay for the premium, you have access to the labs, and that way you can get your hands dirty. Like, they have a lot of labs on different tools, different domains in cybersecurity. So Cybery is one of it. You can check out Cybery. The next one I want to talk about is TryHackMe. I just found out about TryHackMe a few months back, and I think I like it. I haven't started learning on TryHackMe, but I like the way it's been structured. They have the various learning paths they have for beginners, introduction to cybersecurity. If you're new to the industry, if you're new to the world, they will put you through an introductory where you get the fundamental. Then they have junior pen testing, how to get pen web development, web fundamentals, cybersecurity, web security. Like, they have various learning paths like cyber defense. It's pretty much good. It's structured. That way you're focused in your learning. So you go from each module and you get a feel of what that module is talking about. They have tutorials on various tools, and the thing I like about TryHackMe is you can also compete with friends. You can invite a friend. Let's say you have a friend in cybersecurity and also have TryHackMe. You can invite your friend, and you guys can compete on the course, like you are competing while learning. You know, that kind of thing. I like it so much. It's really good for beginner. Another one is Hack the Box. The way Hack the Box is this. It's pretty much good for if you're trying to go into like a penetration testing, ethical hacker kind of thing, because hack the boss, you have to hack your way in. Yes, they make you hack your you can just access the website or just register. You hack your way in. That means you're already doing the work on hack to hack a website. So you hack your way in. They give you all the hints on how to hack the website, and you hack your way in. It's pretty much good. The fourth one, yeah, I talk about Cyber, try hack me, hack the boss. The fourth one is YouTube. Trust me, YouTube has tons of resources. If you want to get into any field without spending a dime, honestly, YouTube is your go-to resource website, because they have various various tutors come to YouTube and share their resources for free. They teach for free. If you want to learn about, let's say you want to learn about Nmap, you can actually Google, check it on YouTube, how to use Nmap, and man, you will see thousands of videos on how to use that tool. So YouTube is really good. It's free and you're learning. I have a couple of cybersecurity tutors. I'll make sure I put the link to their channel and the description, or maybe somewhere in the video. One of it is Simply Cyber, like they teach a whole model. Like if you want to learn about networking, if you want to learn about cybersecurity, there are a lot of them. So I'll make sure I put some of my favorites in the description box so you can go check them out if you want to get into cybersecurity. Then the last one, which is the fifth one, is Udemy. Udemy sells their courses for about, if they're running promo, because you want to take advantage of those promos, for $10, $10, and with that you have a lifetime access to the course. You can always go back if you have interview. So you can buy courses on Udemy. Let's say you have your career path where you want to venture into, or maybe you want to learn about networking, because if you want to be in the cybersecurity space, you need to know about networking. So if you want to learn about networking, website model, TCP/IP, every fundamental of networking, you want to go to Udemy, buy a course, introduction course to networking, just so you can learn about networking. You have a lifetime access to the course. You learn a lot about it. So guys, these are my top 5 resources on how to learn about cybersecurity. These resources, trust me, they are all beginner friendly, and they're going to get you where you need to be in your career path into the cybersecurity space. These resources are really good. They've helped me. They helped me while I was starting in the field, and I must say I love Cyber. I love Cyber a lot. Cyber was my go-to when I was doing my master's degree. I had the Cyber Premium, and I would do my hands-on project in the cybersecurity in the lab, and it's pretty much cool. So these resources has really helped me. YouTube, a lot of lot of free resources on there. Track me is still pretty much new, but I see a lot of people use it, and I have paid for that premium also. Their premium is about $10, and it's really good. Like you are actually doing it. It's not like a video is playing in your ears. You are working. You will connect to the lab. You're actually doing it, and I love courses like that. I love websites that are hands-on, that you're not just reading or you're not just listening to videos, but you're actually doing something. That way you're learning. You need to get your hands dirty if you want to get into the cybersecurity space. Cybersecurity space is not where you want to like have an idea. You need to know how it's being done, because you are securing an organization. The organization is depending on you for to secure their environment. So you need to know what you say you know. You need to know what you are doing in that space. So getting your hands dirty, doing the labs, using the tools are most important in the cybersecurity space. You can't go by not doing it, because once I realized about getting your hands dirty is you learn while doing it. You learn while running into that error, getting that error, making those mistakes. You are learning. These are ways while fixing those errors, while trying to figure out, oh, what did I do? What am I supposed to do here? These things are actually sticking. This thing will surely stick into your brain. And when you are in an interview and they ask you how to do so thing, you know, oh, I've done this before. You can never forget. But when you watch a video of someone doing it and you think you know it, trust me, you don't know it. If someone is actually doing the lab and you're just following through and you're not practicing, trust me, you don't know it. Until you do it in your own environment. Do it in your own environment. Get your hands dirty, run into trouble, fix it. That way you're learning. These are the things that has helped me in the cybersecurity space. You need to get your hands dirty. Honestly, it's not just by reading. Yes, you can read the theoretical part of it, but the tools on how to perform the actual attack, how these attackers run their attacks, you can actually do it yourself. Make sure you do it in your own environment. Get your virtual box, get your VMware ready. If you want to use, you can use either of both, VMware or virtual box. Get it set up, download all the tools on there, use it, get your hands dirty. That way you'll learn it. These are the ways I've learned, and this has helped me in the cybersecurity space. And I believe by doing this, you will definitely succeed in this field. So that is about today's video. Let me know what you think about these resources I shared in the comment section. If you have any questions about this website, this cybersecurity website, let me know in the comment section. If you know anyone that wants to pivot into cybersecurity, looking for a career path in the cybersecurity space, please make sure you forward this video to them. And let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. I'll make sure I respond to you. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you find the video valuable. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, like, and share this video. Also, turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop information, juicy information like this. So I'll catch you guys in my next one. And until then, bye for now.